Okay, so to work our single crochet, we're going to go under the top 2 loops of our next stitch and pull up a loop. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. Again, you can kind of see that nice big hole there. We're going to insert our hook there, which is under the top 2 loops, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. So regular speed, this is what it's going to look like. Again, for a regular single crochet, you're going to go under both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. So that was the super fast single crochet refresher. If you need to actually learn how to make it nice and slow, I take it much slower in my single crochet for beginners video, which you can check out. And thank you for watching.